Hello all of you, welcome to our new video on Microsoft Excel. So today we will going to see a new type of graph again. In previous sessions we have seen 2D column chart, 2D bar chart, 3D column chart. So today we are going to see a new type of chart which is known as 3D bar chart in Microsoft Excel. So let's open Excel. Open a blank worksheet. I will zoom it for you. Let's have a set of data as always, like student, and in the next column we will take marks. So student A, student B, then C, D and E. And in this column we will have his marks out of 100. Let's say A has 90 marks, B has 70, C has 35, D has 50 and E has 65. So as usual you have to first select this data, then go to the insert tab, and in that column chart again here you will have the option of this 2D column, 3D column, 2D bar and this 3D bar. So you can select any of the particular charts. So I'll select the first chart and then I will just resize it to the screen. So see, this view is a 3D view, so it is known as a 3D bar chart. If I have to add some another data F, G and H, I will insert some marks here. But still it has not reflected in the chart. So click on the chart and you will observe that initially only the data was selected for this range. So just increase this range like this. And just you can not find this chart all names. So if you increase the size of the chart, you will get like this. Click on this and you will click on add data label so that you will be able to see the values. If I have to change the marks for C from 35 to 60, so you just click here 60 and observe the graph of C, it will change from 35 to 60. See, it is a live representation. So in this way you can use a 3D bar chart in Microsoft Excel for visualizing your data. Thank you all of you.